there, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look using my 18-inch Kinky Coarse clip-ins from Knappy hair. Let's get started. So this is the set of clip-ins, 18 inches, very thick. I colored them myself. I'm going to start by parting my hair half up and half down, just a small section in the front. You don't need much because we're just going to slick that down. So I moisturize the back and I'm going to put it in a bun. It's going to seem weird at first, but I promise it will be fine. If you have really thick hair, make sure you get your bun as little as possible because you don't want it like sticking out from under your clip-ins. So what I've done is twisted my hair down and I'm going to wrap it around pretty tight. Put another ponytail holder on it and stick some bobby pins in it and then leave it like so. Now let's get to the front. So I'm parting mine on the side. I'm going to do a side part, but you can of course always do a middle part or zigzag part or whatever kind of part you want to do. Whatever will make you feel cute. I'm going to use some jam, throwing it back, you know, a little old school. I still trust and believe in jam. So we're going to use it for this style. You're going to brush it down, smooth it down. And then stick a bobby pin on the side. If that doesn't work for you, try putting those pieces into a rubber band, like rubber banding them on the side of your head and then bobby pinning them into your ponytail. Then I'm going to spray it with some holding spray and tie it down. Now it is time to add the clip-ins, and yes, we are going to add these clip-ins right over the top of that bun. The clip-ins are so full and thick that you don't even see the bun underneath. Like you don't even see it sticking out or anything because there's so much hair there. I've had these clip-ins for a few months. I've colored them, put heat to them, combed them, all kinds of stuff, and they're still pretty full. Then because I have the front clip-ins are upside down, so I'm going to take a piece of it and braid it and then fold it over so that it creates kind of a headband for that space in between my hair and the clip-ins. So I'm going to bobby pin that down, and now it's time to wand curl. This is my favorite part. I love wand curls. Oh my god, oh my god. And voila. Here we go. Boom. Look at you. Yes, girl. Then you get creative, decorate a little bit. I've got those clips from Walmart, sis. Like, they were literally $2. And the finished look. Here we are. Also got those earrings from Walmart. We're all done, guys. That's this style with my 18-inch Kinky Coarse clip-ins from Knappy hair. That's Knappy with a K. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and visit my website. Bye.